attack. Attack. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Bless up, viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So now, viewers and subscribers, boy, I see the story pop up to NEWLINK and our people, and boy, I definitely have to share it to the people. Attack! Well, right now, it seems like my attack has taken away from me now, people, because a farmer down at Trelawney seems like him I use the attack the real way, you know. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. NEWLINK, stop the talking. Go to the article. Let me read, people. Farmer chops gunman to death, Jaja. A Trelawney farmer who chopped one of two alleged gunmen to death after they attempted to shoot him in the presence of his common-law wife is now being praised as a hero in his community for his bravery. The dead man has been identified as 34-year-old Sidani Galloway, otherwise called Dawg, Jaja, unemployed of Mayfield District in Granville, Trelawney. Reports by the police are that at about noon, the 45-year-old farmer, who is also a coal burner, and his common-law wife were on their farm in Green Park in the parish, attending to their coal pit, when they were approached by Galloway and another man. Both men allegedly brandished handguns, and Galloway reportedly informed the farmer that he was sent to kill him. He then walked over to the couple when the farmer, who had his machete, chopped Galloway in his upper body. The wounded man and his crony ran off, but Galloway collapsed a few meters away, while his crony managed to escape in bushes. The farmer summoned the police, and upon arrival, Galloway was discovered lying in a pool of blood with a chopped wound to his neck. He was transported to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Jaja, serve your right. One resident in the community told news that the farmer is very brave for his quick thinking because his action saved his own life and also that of his spouse. The police have indicated that they have the identity, the other gunman, and he is currently being sought. Yes, viewers and subscribers, see it? So two of them now go for farmer, pan him farm, them go for kill him. See? Farmer just use him brain so quick, and they like a farmer well prepared with that, the cutlass, they like it well sharp, people. And one swinging swing, a straight in the neck it go. And they like the other one so frightened when him see the farmer get the chop, him push off, him move off, him pull off, people, him couldn't stop. And you see what happen? Yeah. Other one drop a ground, boof. Like when breadfruit drop off a tree. Him lucky the farmer then go over him and put on two more, but the one chop where he give people, he serve him right. But you are sorry, I just threw a farmer alone because the other one managed to escape, but police now have him in custody. See? But what me I say now, viewers and subscribers, look into this thing, you know. Them go for farmers, so them go for kill. When man go for kill people, see? He go for shoot. So him ain't go for kill. Basically, he go for something else. He go for thief or something. And they are so coward because look, if some gunman still, you know, and the other one managed to run and he have gun in it, and he might go return fire to people. You know what I mean? He might go return fire, but in the end, and me hear the news like when him drop, if the gun drop and them the police find the gun, or the other one take up the gun, you know. But boy, me I tell the viewers and subscribers, serve him right. Attack. As me tell you, me should say attack because I come like the farmer, take my attack and attack him. Serve him right, man. One chop in the neck, drop a ground, boof. Like when breadfruit drop off a tree and splash out, splash. Yes. Attack. Me take it back now, farmer. Attack. Yeah, man. Some are not too thief, not too wicked, not too cruel. Zine, go for the man so you got to kill him, get harder to kill him. They look a cool burner, man. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. You're not too heartless. Serve it right now. See it there now. Congo worm will feast on you. You understand? 6'6", right pan ice. Yeah, man. Viewers and subscribers, big up on the cell, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there and NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And just more love people and more respect. And stay blessed. Peace out. Attack.